How many of you can honestly look yourself in the mirror and say, I am doing my best? Because if you can, you're lying to yourself. Yes, that's right. You need to push yourself harder. Go beyond your limits and give your best every single day. Your job right now and how you execute that job is going to create the success habits that you're going to need down the road. Remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Whether it's making fries or sweeping the warehouse floor, you need to do it with excellence and do it better than anyone else. Losers always talk about how they hate to lose, but they don't do anything about it. Winners, on the other hand, do whatever it takes to succeed. They show up and stay late every day until they are winning. They talk to anybody they can that can help them and take the lessons to heart and put them into play. Winners have pride in being dominant amongst their teammates. They have the passion and the grin that separates them from the rest. You want to know what it takes to succeed as bad as you want to breathe. It's hard work, determination, and grit. You will not outwork me because I will get up earlier than you. I will go to sleep later than you, and I will put in more hours than you. I will read more than you. I will grow more than you, and I will do whatever it takes to separate myself from everybody else. If you want to be the best, you need to have more heart than me, work harder than me, and sacrifice more than me. You need to be willing to make any sacrifice, go through any pain, and suffer through whatever it takes to be the best. You cannot give up. You cannot give in. You cannot retreat. You need to climb every mountain, cross every obstacle, and push through the pain. Remember, greatness is within you, and you have what it takes to achieve it. You just need to pull it out, climb to the top, and be the apex. You need to understand that nobody ever said it would be easy, but the end result is worth it. You are capable of achieving greatness, and it's time to unleash your full potential. So, my friends, what are you waiting for? It's time to go out there and give it your all. You have what it takes to succeed, and nothing can stop you if you believe in yourself and work harder than anyone else. It's time to climb to the top and be the best. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and resources that can help you take your success to the next level. So don't wait. Click that subscribe button now and start your journey towards success today.